Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very easy and stylish hairstyle that you can make in just 3 minutes. First of all, comb your hairs and leave some loose hairs from the left and right side. Take the half portion of the upper hairs and tie the lower hair with the rubber band. Separate the tie hairs and now take some loose hairs from the upper portion and start making braid. Continue making braid by adding French hairstyle in it. That means now we will make French braid. Start taking some loose hairs from the left and right side and make a beautiful French braid. To make it look more beautiful, loosen the hair from the center of the braid. Make sure that there are no frizz in the hair. Open the hairs that we have tied with the rubber band and now complete the hairstyle by tucking the braid with a beautiful fancy clip. If you want, you can make it more beautiful by adding pearl clips on the braid. Friends, do try this video. This hairstyle look very fancy and very elegant. In this video, I am going to share a very easy and fancy party hairstyle for girls. First of all, take some loose hair from the right side and make braid. After making this much of braid, take some loose hair from the left side and attach them in the braid and continue making the braid. At the end, tuck the braid with the help of a pin. Now take some loose hair from the left side and make the braid. Similarly, take some loose hair from the right side and indulge them in the braid and continue making braid. Follow the same pattern by taking the braid again to the left hand side and taking some more loose hair from the left side and zigzag this pattern and continue making braids this way. As you can see how beautiful this design is turning out. Make sure that you tuck the braid while making the other braid with the pin. Finally, at the end, release the hair from the pin and attach them with the beautiful rubber band. friends, here I am using fancy pearl clips or pearl pins to highlight the design. This is very simple and very beautiful design, especially for girls. Do try this design. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.